That sharp cheddar slice or creamy American cheese on your burger, how is it actually made?
Today on Food Flavor, we reveal the full industrial process behind cheddar and American cheese. From fresh milk to perfectly aged blocks and slices, this is how real cheese is made at scale. Cheesemaking combines ancient tradition with modern precision and food science. Get ready for one of the most satisfying and transformative food processes you'll ever see.
Like and subscribe to Food Flavor if you love discovering how everyday favorites are made.
It all starts with high-quality fresh milk delivered to the cheese plant.
It is standardized to the exact fat and protein levels needed.
Next, the milk is pasteurized to ensure safety.
Pasteurization kills harmful bacteria while protecting flavor.
The clean, prepared milk is now ready for the cheese-making process.
Temperature is carefully controlled from this point forward. These cultures begin converting lactose into lactic acid.
After a short ripening time, rennet is added.
Rennet causes the milk to coagulate and form a soft gel.
This coagulation step is the true beginning of cheese.
Timing and temperature are critical for proper curd formation.
Cutting releases the liquid whey from the solid curd.
This cooking step develops the final texture of the cheese.
Heating helps the curds firm up and expel more whey. For traditional cheddar, the curds go through a unique step called cheddaring.
This process stretches the proteins and creates cheddar's signature texture.
This final proof is what creates the famous melt-in-your-mouth texture.
Perfect proofing is one of the secrets behind Krispy Kreme's success.
They float and begin to cook on the bottom side first.
Both sides turn a beautiful golden brown.
American cheese is often made by blending cheddar with emulsifiers.
This is how real cheddar develops its distinctive character.
The mixture is heated and processed into a smooth, meltable cheese.
It is formed into blocks or sliced for convenience.
Final quality checks ensure consistent taste and safety.
From fresh milk to aged cheddar blocks and creamy American slices, this is the complete cheese-making journey. Next time you melt cheese on a burger or enjoy a sharp cheddar slice, you'll know the careful craft behind it.
If you enjoyed this factory tour, smash the like button, subscribe to Food Flavor, and tell us in the comments, which food should we reveal next?